Congratulations to everyone who ended up taking our alert on Sunday. We had a max potential profit of 83 pips from the entry alert on our indicators on our Sunday watch list. So anyone who ended up playing EuroCAD to the downside, congratulations. If you guys didn't, it's totally fine. If you like and follow on this channel, I send out alerts every single week for stocks, crypto, and Forex, all of them using Tradng ATS, which is the indicators that myself, Justin, have founded and presenting here for you guys. What I want to start off with saying is being 100% transparent on this channel. Whenever I send an alert, I want to back it up. So let's go directly to the video that I sent out on the Sunday watch list and to see exactly where we were trading. This is on September 4th. So on September 4th, we had our Sunday watch list that ended up coming out, and you can tell right here on EuroCAD, this is on the 4-hour time frame we did this analysis, we were sitting at 1.306. Now I want to go back so you guys can see the transparency here. 1.306, that's this white line right here. That was the entry on Sunday that alerted saying we want to see a push lower. Now, not just saying, okay, we want to see a push lower, you could have capitalized on 83 pips, max potential profit. That's amazing. Now, if you didn't and you didn't get into that, let me just explain the technical analysis behind why I said that. So once you have these indicators, you're able to look for patterns like this in the market and be able to capitalize on these plays. So the first thing that I like to do, this regression trend indicator is very powerful. This will snap onto your chart right away, any time frame that you want. So you can go under inputs. You can either look at the past, let's say 100 candles. So go on the top here. This will make the overall regression trend smaller. So if you want to look at a smaller time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, I want you guys to set this to 300 and just leave it as is. The other thing I want you to do is go ahead on your styles. If you're trading in a bearish market heading to the downside, I don't want you to have buy signals on. You're fighting against the trend. I want you to have sell signals. So go ahead and illuminate sell. Once you have those on, you can tell right away these were great entries indicating in the market that we could see a push to the downside, and that's what you want to capitalize on. You also want to look and wait till we get into areas that are extended. Now, what do I mean by extended? When you get into these top red sections, you can see how these colors on this regression trend get brighter and brighter. The brighter they are means the stronger bias opinion that you could be seeing a reversal in the market. So when it gets up into these areas, you just want to be patient to wait for a push downwards. You can use the buy and sell signals as indications, but down on this dashboard, this is where a bigger picture of the overall story actually plays out. And you guys, just at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get 60% off of all of these indicators. It's a lifetime access, so stick around here for just a few minutes here. On the bottom, I want to explain this to anyone who's currently trading with us and anyone who's going to be trading with us. This middle band means market momentum, overall market momentum, okay? So when this is green, this means bull market momentum. Let's just go directly straight up on this Forex pair. What's happening to the price? It's increasing. So if you're currently in a position like this and it's still green, you want to be able to stay in that position until we get either extended into a top red section where you can then end up taking profit. Now, in reverse, take a look right here. When this switched over from green to red, that means bear market momentum. Now, this was a great entry on the sell signal because we had all three of our indicators pointing in the same direction. Actually, all four. So this is what I would consider as a Forex bear pattern. So what do I mean by that? Forex bear pattern, all four indicators. Your regression trend is heading downwards. Your white line on the dashboard, which represents money movement, is shifting lower. The best way to look at this, you guys, is imagine if you're standing on this line. Which way are you stepping? We're stepping down. So that means money's flowing out. We have a red dot, which means a key EMA crossover, which is coded into this system to be saying, let's look for a further push to the downside, or at least a continuation. And then we have the middle band switching over from green to red, meaning bull to bear market momentum. When you have all four of these in conjunction, this does indicate a very strong possibility that a continuation lower is going to happen. So there's no reason why you can't enter in on trades like this, just as we did over here, to be able to capitalize on a push lower. Now, not every signal that ends up being alerted is going to go directly right in your favor at that time, which is okay. The thing I want you guys to look out for is just make sure that this white line in your overall direction is still in that bias opinion. Just because we had a little bit of a pop-up here before we alerted right at this line here of 130.06, I could tell down here on our dashboard, our money movement wasn't necessarily making a higher low. and we switch straight over into bear market momentum. So that's the indication to say, okay, let's stay into this play. Now, right now, we are testing a level of support on this. So anyone who ended up getting into this play, you had anywhere between that 0 to 83 pip profit that you could have taken on right now. There's no indication as of right now, based off of these indicators here, that we couldn't see a push lower and actually break through this. It's very possible. You just want to keep an eye out for this. Now, if we do for some reason see a push higher, the reason you can tell and the way you can tell the push higher is this middle band will switch over to green. This will go from red to green, meaning bull market momentum. This white line will start shifting upwards, and that would be an indication that you want to then be switching your position instead of looking to go short to then be going long in the market. You guys, I want to head over to the indicators right now that I use every single day. This is Tradng Trades. You guys get 4 indicators in our Discord. This is normally $4.99. This is $1.99 only. You guys, this is a lifetime access. You never have to worry about monthly fees ever. Everyone in the Discord is hooking these indicators up to stocks, crypto, and Forex, and everyone's trading together and just having a blast. You guys, the first one is a buy and sell indicator that we offer. Second one is a linear regression indicator, which of course snaps straight onto your chart and tells you which way you're heading, bullish, bearish, and also standard deviation levels that you can use as support and resistance in the market. You guys get the advanced dashboard. This displays overall market momentum, money movement, and key EMA crossovers, and overextended and overvalued areas in the market. Also, support and resistance. This again snaps straight onto your chart. This will show you the swing highs and swing lows in the market. So when you're either going long or short in a position, it's a great indication of saying where you can potentially get out of that trade to take profit. And then of course inside our Discord. So you guys, you get access to all 4 of our indicators. This is probably one of the best investments you could ever make in your life if you're trading stocks, crypto, or Forex. For $1.99, this is a complete lifetime access. Please watch this video over here to get more details. But going back to our charts, thank you guys so much for following. I will update you on every single trade that I end up alerting to this community and being 100% transparent with you guys on when I alert. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it in the description below in the comments. I will get back to every single person on any questions. Please email me at tradngtrades@gmail.com if you have any questions that you want to personally ask me. Thank you guys so much for following. Have a great rest of your day.